Hi everyone, so in this video I'll explain you about how you'll figure out what a Roman number stands for. Okay, for this you first need to learn this conversions. So to write 1 in Roman numbers, we write I, and for 5 we use V, and for 10 we have X, for 50 L, and for 100 C, 500 D, and 1000 M. If you look at these numbers carefully, then you'll find out that the first digit can only be 1 and 5, 1, 5. So it means that you just need to remember the sequence of these letters I, V, X, L, C, D, M. And for that, just learn this sentence. I love watching Zina playing with cats, dogs, and monkeys. Now we have 3 simple rules, and rule number 1 is divided into 2 parts. First part is you should add the numbers together if numbers of same size are placed next to each other. Look here. I plus I, you need to add them. I and I both are of same size, that's why you need to add them. 1 plus 1. X and X are of same size, you need to add them. 10 plus 10. C, C. It means, I'll write it down, 2, 3. And 10 plus 10 is 20. C plus C is 100 plus 100 is 200. And M plus M means 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. So next we have, if you need to add the numbers together, if a smaller number is placed right to a larger number. Smaller number is placed right to a larger number. Here, 5, V means 5 and I means 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, right? 5 plus 3 is 8, right? And then we have 10 and 10, both same size are placed next to each other. You need to add them. 10 plus 10 is 20, and a smaller number is placed to the right. It means you need to add the smaller number 2. 10 plus 1 is 21. Then we have C and X. X is smaller than C. C means 100 and X means 10. 100 plus 10, 110, right? Rule number 2, you should subtract the smaller number from the larger number if a smaller number is placed to the left of a larger number. See, I is smaller than V. I means 1 and V means 5. Means 1 is smaller than 5. So we need to subtract smaller number, that is 1, from the larger number, means 5. We need to subtract 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Then we have I and X. I means 1 and X means 10. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. C means 100 and D means 500. 500 minus 100 will be 400. 500 minus 100 is equals to 400. Then we have C and M. M means 1000 and C means 100. 1000 minus 100. It will be 900. Okay? Sometimes you need to perform both the operations. For example, if you look at this Roman number, XIV, X means 10 and I means 1, V means 5. I've written this in bracket. So 10 is greater than 1, but 1 is smaller than 5. So you need to perform 2 operations in this Roman number. I'll suggest you to start this from the right hand side and move towards the left. Okay? And we'll take 2 numbers at one time and perform operation, and then we'll move to the other one. So 5 is greater than 1 and 1 is smaller than 5 and is at the left hand side. If 1 is at the left hand side of 5, it means that 5 minus 1 will be the operation here. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, and then 10 is greater than 4. And it means that smaller number is at the right hand side, so we need to add them. 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. Okay, then we have next Roman number is XICX. X means 10, I means 1, C means 100, and X means again 10. Okay, so starting from the right hand side, 10 is smaller than 100 and is at the right hand side, so we'll add these 2 numbers, 110. Okay, now 110 is greater than 1. It means we'll subtract 1 out of 110. 110 minus 1 is equals to 109. Okay, so 109 is again greater than 10. It means that we'll subtract 10 out of 109. 109 minus 10 is equals to 99. Okay, so we'll start from the right hand side and move towards the left. 1 and 1 both are same size, so we'll add them. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and then we have a 5 which is greater than 2. Which is greater than 2, and 2 is on the right hand side, so we'll add them. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Okay, 7. Now again we have 10 which is greater than 7, so we'll again add them. 10 plus 7 is 17. Again we have 50. 50 plus 17 is equals to, I'll write everything over here. Okay, in the next line I'll write this. 50 plus 17 is equals to 67, right? And then we have this 1000 which is again greater than 67, so we'll add these 2, that is 1000 plus 67. Okay, sorry, plus 67 is equals to 1067, right? Now we have 100, which is a smaller number, is on the left hand side. It means that we'll subtract 100 out of this. 1067 minus 100, it'll be 967, right? And now we'll look at this number, 1000. 1000 is greater than 967, right? So we'll add these 2 numbers. 1000 is at the left hand side and smaller number is at the right hand side, so we'll add these numbers. It means that 1000 plus 967 is equals to 1967.